Going over the interior real quick, I wanted to show you that everything is fully functioning. If we go ahead and on position, turn the key, press in the clutch, press the start button. Fires right up. You can see oil pressure, battery level, temperature, fuel running a little bit low on fuel. Get some gas. You got throttle here, which works. This is for your lights, and then choke. You got your blinker switch here, up, left, right, and this is your hazards. You just pull that out. Your hazards go. And horn works too.